guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my July favorite. Anyways, let's get on with the video. Well, the first thing I'm going to be talking about is this Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in Sun Dipped. This is what it looks like on the inside. So we have bronzed, tourmaline, moonstone, and summer. This is honestly, bronzed is my favorite out of the whole palette. But today I decided tourmaline. You can see that glow. It's such a beautiful, beautiful color. And I'll just swatch bronzed for you. So pretty. So pretty. And yeah. I honestly wasn't gonna buy any of these glow kits because I was like, they're ridiculously expensive, and why would I spend like however much I spend on highlighters when I have my e.l.f. one. But this is like a million times better than the e.l.f. one. So yeah, I am so glad I bought this because it's amazing. It truly and really is amazing. Next I have two eyeshadow palettes. They're both by Tarte. This one is Tartelette in Bloom. I have a video, I'll link it down below if you want to see it. Get ready with me with this palette. And then I have the original Tartelette palette. These are such pretty palettes. Like, the colors are so pretty. I used both of these palettes today to do my makeup. Honestly, I think the Tartelette in Bloom one is my favorite because of the color selection and whatnot. But yeah, they're really pigmented and you can create many different looks with these. Like today's look, I just kind of went with whatever, and I honestly love the way it turned out. So if you want me to do a video on this, like this video and comment down below letting me know if you want me to actually do this look, because I'm actually really feeling it. It's something different. Yeah. Next, another makeup thing. This is my Kat Von D liquid lipstick in Exorcism. I'm wearing this today in combination with, this is not Exorcism, this is Damned, with Exorcism. And I love the look. I love both of these together. Oh, there's powder on it. But yeah, Exorcism. I wore this in my... Give me a sec. So I wore it in my Sephora haul. That's what it was, I think. But if I'm wrong, I'll link the actual video down below. And yeah. Next are two more liquid lipsticks. This one is ColourPop LAX. This is honestly my favorite out of the whole ColourPop like order that I placed. Here, I'll swatch it on my hand. It's just so pretty. And like, I've heard so many people saying that the ColourPop liquid lipsticks are drying. This is not drying. I wore this like the whole day and my lips felt fine. So maybe they changed the formula or something, but these are definitely, it's not drying. I got an Ultra Satin Lip, and this is Prim. This is also a really pretty color. It kind of reminds me of like Heather's by Anastasia. This is the Ultra Satin Lip, and the one thing I really do not like about this is that it kind of transfers. But other than that, like, I love the color, I love the finish, I love like everything. It's just that it transfers, so it's like a big thing for me because I just like go like this and it's on my hand. I'm like, oh, bye. But yeah. Next, another ColourPop product. It's the sculpting sticks. I actually really like this. Like, it is tough to blend, but this is honestly like the first product I found that I can actually use to contour with. I don't really feel like spending a lot of money for like the contour kits because like, even though you can return it, I just don't see the point. So why just, like, I'll just use this for the time being until I run out, and then maybe I'll purchase like the Anastasia one or the Kat Von D one or whatever one there is out there. And plus, most of them, I don't think they color, like, they have like really deep colors, which I can use to contour with. So yeah, and this is in the color Typo. Next, I have my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. I absolutely love this stuff. Like, it makes my eyeshadow look amazing. It stays on like all day, and I used it today, and honestly, I'm in love. I am so in love. I tried using concealers. I tried this drugstore one, but they don't compare to this one. Maybe it's the eyeshadows I was using, but still, like, I don't know. Something about this, it's just so amazing. Like, I don't even know. I don't have words, but it's just so amazing. Okay. So I have my Spin for Perfect Skin. I don't have the head because it's drying right now. And like these two, it might not look like I use it, but as like when it goes down, these two together are like my holy grail skincare products. Like, you can see how much I use. Like, here, I use this a lot, even though I tend to forget, but I love this. It doesn't leave my skin feeling like super dry or like weird or anything. And I have to thank Tatiana here on YouTube. She recommended, I saw this from one of her videos, and I was like, why not try it? And I did, and I love it. And it's funny, I tried this quiz that was telling you like what you should use to cure your acne, and I took the quiz, and this was a recommended product. Isn't that just crazy? So I found something that should work for me through a YouTuber that I'm not sure if she has the same skin type as me or not, but yeah, this works amazingly. And the Spin for Perfect Skin, I love it. I've only used the regular like daily cleansing head and then the exfoliating head, but I don't know, I'm gonna try using the other one soon. I have my skincare routine up. It's probably gonna be up before this video because I filmed it a few days ago. And yeah. Oh, if you want to purchase this, I have a link in the description bar so you can buy it for 70% off. And no, I'm not sponsored by them. This video isn't sponsored by them, but that is an affiliate link. So yeah, I just have to like say that because I don't want anybody to get mad at me and all of that. So yeah. And this last thing, I picked this up close to the end of the month, and this is honestly a lifesaver. If you can see it, you use this to put your lashes on, and I used to use tweezers in my hands, but this honestly makes putting lashes on so much easier. I thought I was getting the hang of using tweezers, but I'm kind of scared that I'll poke myself in the eye, so I kind of stopped. But yeah, I am so glad I picked this up. Yeah. I'm sorry that this is a short video. I just didn't really try a lot of makeup and stuff this month because like most of the time I don't really wear makeup to work, and I work a lot, so yeah. I only wear it like on special occasions or like if I'm going to church to fix my hair. And I guess my hair could be a favorite too. I got it done early this month because I was tired of my hair and I thought I would just give my hair a break, so I just did a protective style. These are actually crochet braids, and my mom does it because she's a hairdresser. And yeah. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to click thumbs up. Leave some comments down below of any video suggestions, or tell me some products that you really love this month, or if any of these products didn't work for you, tell me why, and I'd like to know. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see future videos by me, and follow me on my social media. I'll have them in the description bar below. And I'll also be on the outro after this. And yeah, have a great day, guys. Love you.
Just you and me.